What's up, traders? Let's have a quick look at Eurgbp from a weekly perspective. So from a weekly perspective, what did we have? We had a very nice push to the upside from this level over here. As you can see, this level is a very nice structure level and a very nice support level over here. So this is why we had this push to the upside. And if you have a look at previous price action and pull this box all the way across, you'll be able to see that it's a very nice support area in the market, as you can see over here. So we had a lot of touches of this big support area. Now, what I would like to point out to you guys is if you have a look at Eurgbp from a weekly perspective, what kind of pattern we had exactly on this pair is basically we have this W formation formed on a weekly basis. So now on a weekly basis, if you have a W formation formed on a weekly basis, what will happen normally is the market will need to make a retracement at least to the neckline of the W formation. So the neckline would be around here, which would mean that this is previous resistance, which would now mean that this is support. So the market will need to come down and retest this area first before we can actually get any push to the upside. So this is what we have on this pair. On the weekly time frame, if you have a look at price action itself, you can see that the market created a very nice W formation. What we're expecting is the market to come and retest this area over here and then further continuation to the upside. Now, if you have a look at it from a price action point of view, from a weekly perspective as well, is if you have a look at this area over here, is a very strong area of resistance and, well, previous support, now turn resistance. You can see here we have support, support, more support again, support. We have a bit of resistance around this area, and then we have a break to the downside. Now, what will happen when we have already broken a big support area? We will normally get a pullback to this area and then a small push down plus a bigger push to the upside. Now, if you have a look at price action in the area with the W formation that we have spotted already, what we can expect now is if the market will come back down and retest this area of previous resistance now turns support, we can expect a very nice push to the upside. We also have to take into consideration this, of course, the resistance area that we have over here. So what we need to do is we have to be very careful with trading this kind of pair. What we are looking for on a weekly basis and on a weekly time frame is the market to make a correction and further continuation to the upside. Now, if you take your Fibonacci on a weekly leg from this low over here, from the low over here to this high over here, you'll be able to see that the market is now lined up very nicely with structure. We have the 382 Fibonacci on that structural point over there, which is a very good structural point for us to take this trade to the upside. Now, it's very important when the market will come into this area, it's very important that you are always reactive and also not predictive, because if the market will come into this area, then we will be definitely looking for a push to the upside. If the market will come into this area and it will start creating higher highs and higher lows in the area or in this desired area over here, then we can expect more further growth of the Eurgbp. But on the other hand, if the market will now come down and start breaking this support level, then we will not be interested in taking this trade to the upside. If you go down on the daily time frame, it's pretty clear, pretty simple what kind of price action we had. We had a very nice area of resistance here, which is now being broken to the upside. And of course, after we have broken to the upside of a resistance level, if the market has broken a resistance level, we need to see some sort of pullback first before we can get a further push to the upside. So this is what I have on Eurgbp from a weekly perspective and also a daily perspective. If you guys like this analysis, don't forget to hit the like button below. Leave me a comment as well. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are, and also let me know in the comments below if you guys need any free education and also different types of analysis. We do take requests as well, so let us know in the comments below if you would like to see one of your pairs analyzed from our point of view. Thank you very much for your support, and we will see you guys in the next analysis.